Hi everyone, welcome to Bay's Kitchen. Today we are making air fryer honey char siu, and trust me, it's even better than what you get from a Chinese takeaway or dim sum restaurant. We are using just 4 simple ingredients, and it's totally beginner friendly. Let's take a quick look at what you will need. Pork shoulder, honey, roast fermented tofu. Don't worry if you can't find it, I've got an easy substitute. Char siu sauce, ginger. Stop. Try to pick a cut of pork with a nice balance of fat and meat. Pork shoulder is perfect. It stays juicy and tender when cooked. Put your pork into a freezer bag. Add 5 slices of ginger. Two tablespoons of char siu sauce. Three cubes of roast fermented tofu. Massage everything together well. Break down the tofu so it's really mixed into the sauce. This is what gives the pork that restaurant-style flavor. Then flatten the bag and pop it into the fridge. Let it marinate overnight if you can. The longer it soaks, the more flavor you will get. The next day, take your pork out and let it come to room temperature for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, mix 1 teaspoon of honey with a splash of water to make a honey glaze. Preheat your air fryer at 180 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes. Don't line the basket with foil or baking paper. We want the fat to drip away so outside goes crispy, not soggy. Now cook the pork like this, 190 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes. It will look wet at this stage, that's fine. Brush on the honey glaze. Cook at 180 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes. With a rich caramelized color and slightly crispy edges, flip the pork. Back in at 180 degrees centigrade for another 5 minutes. Final brush and one last 5 minutes blast at 180 degrees centigrade. That's 20 minutes of cooking time plus 5 minutes of preheating. Just a quick tip, different air fryer cook differently, so keep an eye on it. And there you have it, beautifully glazed char siu straight away from your air fryer. It's packed with flavor and still juicy on the inside. Slice it up and serve however you like, with salad, rice, noodle, or even in a toasted sandwich for an epic breakfast. Check the end of this video for substitutes if you can't find roast fermented tofu. Subscribe and tap the bell. More quick and delicious recipes coming your way. Bon appetit and see you next time.